Improving the insulation in your home can help you save money on heating and cooling costs. And experts recommend starting at the top by insulating your attic. With new developments in insulation technology, the do-it-yourselfer in you can insulate your attic in an energy-efficient way in no time. Let's take a look at how it's done. To start, always remember to work safely when insulating. Wear the right protective gear such as a long-sleeve shirt and pants, work gloves, work boots, approved safety glasses, and a disposable dust mask. Keep your workspace adequately lit. Determine how much insulation you already have. Measure the thickness of your attic's existing insulation and install up to 15 inches of Owens Corning's new EcoTouch pink fiberglass insulation to save as much as 28% on your energy bills. To calculate the number of packages of insulation you will need, determine the area to be insulated in square feet by multiplying the length times the width in feet. Then measure the distance between joists, which are the wooden dividers on the attic floor, to determine the required insulation width. Lastly, divide the total square footage to be insulated by the square foot per package, rounding up the next whole number to determine the total number of packages you will need. New on the market are insulation products that will not only help you make your home more comfortable, but also help you participate in recycling efforts and prevent waste from going to landfill. For example, new EcoTouch pink fiberglass insulation with pure fiber technology is the newest innovation from Owens Corning. Made with natural materials and formaldehyde-free, it boasts over 70% recycled content, the highest in the industry. And these products are Green Guard Indoor Air Quality certified, meeting the most stringent third-party certification standards for indoor air quality. With EcoTouch pink fiberglass insulation with pure fiber technology from Owens Corning, you will maximize the energy efficiency in your home while saving on energy bills. EcoTouch pink fiberglass insulation is a great choice for home energy savings. Leave the bundles of insulation intact, opening only one at a time. Start at the outer edges of the attic and work your way into the center, placing batts perpendicular to the joists. For proper ventilation, install ready-to-use Owens Corning's Raft-R-Mate vents between roof rafters. This will provide unrestricted airflow through the soffits in the attic, reducing the risk of condensation. And when insulating around electrical wiring or plumbing, shape the batt to fit it around wires or pipes. Keep all insulation at least 75 millimeters away from metal chimneys, gas water heater flues, or other heat-producing devices. There you have it, everything you need to re-insulate your attic. Now you'll be able to save money on your energy bills and help reduce up to 1/2 ton of greenhouse gas emissions every year, year after year. Find out about home renovation grants and incentives at www.showmethegreen.ca. And for more information on how to insulate your attic, visit www.owenscorning.ca. EcoTouch pink fiberglass insulation is a great choice for home energy savings.